So we have problem statement example 1.3. So how much positive and negative charge is there in 1 cup of water? So I'm assuming the weight of this 1 cup of water is 250 gram. So let's start the calculation of this part. So we have 250 gram water. So at molecular level, as we know, H2O, it has atomic weight 2 into 1 plus 16. So its atomic weight is 18. So what would be the weight of 1 mole water? It would be 18 gram. One mole. And 1 mole is having how many molecules of water? It is 6.01 into 10 to the power 23. Avogadro's number. Yeah. So gentlemen, what we need to find, we need to find the total number of molecules in 250 gram of water. So in 250 gram of water, we have 6.01 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 into 250 gram. Yep. So this much is the number of molecules we have. Okay. So in one molecule, how many electrons do we have in H2O? So we have number of electrons 8 plus 2. So we have 10 electrons in one molecule of water. And similarly, we would be having 10 proton in one molecule of water. So can we say, so can I erase this part as we have understood this problem? Yeah. So I am erasing this. So number of electrons, it would be this much into 10. So I am doing a little approximation. It is 250 into 4 into 3 into 4 into 10 to the power 23 into 10. So this is the rearrangement of this part. So if we multiply 4 with 250, it comes out to be 1000. So 1000, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 26 and 10 to the power 27. So 100 into 10 to the power 25 divided by 12, 56, 25, 3, 8.33 into 10 to the power 25. So these many electrons are there in 250 gram of water. I hope till this stage everything is clear. Very good. So number of electrons we have found. So one electron is having how much? How many charges? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. All right. So total charge on electrons 1.6 into 8.33 into 10 to the power minus 19 and 10 to the power 25. So it comes out to be 10 to the power 6. 25 minus 19, it is 6. 48, 4, 52, 5, 16, 5. 16 8 ja 128, 133. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 13.328, 10 to the power 6. So it comes out to be 3328, 10 to the power 7 coulomb. So the same amount of charge would be there uh, on the positive side as well, because as we know, H2O molecule is electrically neutral. Okay, so I hope this part was clear to you. So this was all about problem statement 1.2. Okay, thank you very much.